Good morning. My name is Amit Kharche. Currently, I am working as a lead analyst in the Kraft Heinz company, which is third largest food and beverages company in North America and fifth largest in the world. Regarding my current role, I am working quite a mix of role here. We consist of business analyst as well as data analyst. Working right from gathering the requirements till the deployment into an analytics project. Majorly involved into identify data sources, supporting for creating data pipelines, then BI solutions, understanding business requirements, use cases, formulating it into analytical problems, providing BI solutions and insights to business. Regarding my background, I have total 13 years of work experience. My previous things were with Mahindra Group, then Carraro Group and Amphenol Corporation. I have worked on multiple digital transformation and analytical projects during my career. My main work area, majorly I worked into supply chain function in procurement, inventory management, freight cost management and sourcing part. I'm very well versed with supply chain domain. The major challenges which I face is regarding there are two major challenges which I face. The first challenge is I'm from non-coding background. Okay, I've been working into supply chain for earlier 9 years of my career, and there was no sense of coding to me till date. But when I started working on analytical projects, then I came to I have to deal with all these technical stuffs and all that. So this was one big challenge. Then finding the time for upskilling myself. Okay, so after doing the regular work at my current role, I spent a lot of time on weekends for improving my learning curve. So these are major challenges which I face, and I overcome these challenges by my dedication and then following the blogs like Medium toward data science, networking with data science professionals, seeking guidance from the industry experts. Like, see, I was very well versed with domain knowledge. I was working on analytical projects, but it is from a business side. Okay, so though I was dealing with the technical person, but I was not thoroughly technical. There are a lot of lacunas in my technical understanding. So in Accredian helped me a lot for gaining that confidence of technical skills, which helped me by performing the job well in the way of data analysis, be it insight generation, then inform data driven decisions, then for data visualizations, building visualization solutions using Power BI Tableau, it helps a great. Then Python programming for data handling efficiently. Then machine learning, understanding of machine learning concepts, predictive analytics, its applications. Then I was knowing the statistics, but it was not in depth. How to apply that? How we can think beyond our normal thinking, out of the box thinking. When deep dive into statistics, then got that understanding. Then it really widened my thinking, and I'll say it helps to improve my problem solving skills, adaptability, and continuous learning. Regarding my interview experience, it was quite good. Okay, so in my interview, I emphasized majorly on my strengths, not on my weaknesses. Okay, so my major strength was I have very good domain understanding of supply chain. I worked on multiple analytics projects. Then in my interview, I explained projects right from requirement gathering till solution deployment. So where I linked all that solutions with the data science concepts which we use during the project. I explained that concept very well during the interview. So there were 4 rounds of interview. First round was totally technical regarding the projects done, tools used, methodologies used, and the approach and the benefits. You can say tangible and intangible benefits of the project. Second round was also the same. The third round was a mix of technical, interpersonal skills, and managerial skills. And the final round, fourth round, was a HR round. Yeah, I'll tell honestly. Before joining Accredian PGP certification course, I did lot of research. I gone through the multiple institutes, course curriculums, faculties, and all that things. I took guidance, discussed with many data science professionals in the industry, and finally I come to know that the course curriculum offered by Insaid is very much structured. The faculty is in best in class. I took reference from old students also, and I found Accredian is a best institute with best in class faculty. Then I can say the sessions and the content of Accredian is as per industry standards. We have started with the very basic concept. We have started our journey with very basic concepts. Lot of emphasis given on the basic concept, deep understanding of the fundamentals. Accredian helped to build a very good foundation of our learning, and that foundation drive us to the next levels of machine learning, deep learning, NLP, CV, which is helping very much me in my regular work. Also, I would like to appreciate the career counseling sessions conducted by Accredian. It was really very insightful. What is happening in the industry? What are the benchmarks? It was very insightful. Then the industry speaker sessions also a lot. I attended many industry speaker sessions conducted by Accredian. The speakers are sharing their views, and we are getting insights what is happening in the industry currently. It helped me a lot, Accredian. As per me, first thing, one should believe in himself, though it is from non-coding background. Just believe in yourself, and by having a continuous learning approach, we can do it, we can crack it. I'll say that before taking the journey or taking a step, just define our goals and aspirations clearly, what we want to do and how we can achieve it. Then have patience, have dedication, have consistency in efforts, seek guidance from the good mentors, network with the data science professionals, then work on your portfolio, work on your soft skills enhancement, be it a problem solving, mentorship, like that, and come out of the fear of coding.